Good day, madam. So today we'll be presenting our assignment for communication principle, which is titled Mobile Communication Systems. So our group members, we have myself, SAASHIENIE, HUSNA ZAFIRAH, Irdina, NORDIANA, and HAMSARUBIYNI. So next I'll be introducing mobile communication systems. Mobile communication allows wireless voice, data, and multimedia communication, and it has become an essential part of modern society. We use it daily for things like online learning, video calls, mobile banking, and even telemedicine. Over time, these systems have evolved significantly from simple analog communication to advanced technologies like 4G LTE and 5G. Despite this advancement, they all rely on a common foundation, which is the cellular network architecture. However, while mobile communication plays a major role in economic growth and digital transformation, it also raises concerns such as data privacy, cybersecurity risk, health effects, and digital inequality. Next. So next we'll be looking at the overview and types of telecommunication. Mobile communication is a type of wireless telecommunication system, meaning it does not rely on physical cables. It uses radio frequency or RF signals to transmit data between devices and network infrastructure. The system operates based on the cellular concept, where a large geographic area is divided into smaller regions called cells. This helps improve coverage and also allows many users to communicate simultaneously. Each cell is actually controlled by a base station, which manages connections and ensures continuous communication as users move from one area to another. This cellular structure is what makes mobile communication efficient, reliable, and suitable for large-scale users. Next.
For this slide, I will explain the application of mobile communication system. Mobile communication system supports voice calls and mobile internet services. They also enable multimedia services such as video calls and streaming. In addition, these systems are important for emergency communication and disaster response. They are widely used in mobile banking, in commercial, and digital payments. With 5G technology, mobile communication systems support IoT, smart homes, and smart cities. Next, moving on the relevance of mobile communication system. Mobile communication system provide instant communication anytime and anywhere. They support economic growth and reduce the gap between rural and urban areas. These systems are essential in education, healthcare, public services, and business sectors. Overall, mobile communication systems are important for modern digital society.
Fundamental principles. This slide explains the basic principles of mobile communication. Information is converted into radio signals using modulation techniques such as PSK and QNM to allow many users to share limited spectrum. Multiple access methods like TDMA, FDMA, and OFDMA are used in 4G and 5G systems. Channel capacity determines the maximum data rate based on bandwidth and noise. Cellular systems divide coverage into cells to support frequency, reduce, and smooth handover. Next. System architecture. This slide shows the system architecture of mobile communication. The mobile station or mobile phone sends and receives data from the base station. The base station connects users to the network within cell. The core network manages call control, mobility, authentication, and data routing. The backhaul network links base stations to the core network using high-speed connections. Next.
For working mechanism, the operational process for the mobile communication system starts with mobile station, which is the user's equipment transmitting a radio signal to the base transceiver station. Then the signal is forwarded to the mobile switching center to the core network for further action, that can process, routing and protecting based on data integrity and security protocols such as encryption for protection purpose. When a user moves from one cell to another, a handover occurs to maintain continuous communication without interruption. The system also uses frequency and multiple access techniques so many users can share the network efficiently. Next. For societal impacts, on the positive side, mobile communication improves global connectivity by allowing people to communicate instantly across the world. It also supports economic growth through digital services such as online business, mobile banking, and e-commerce. In addition, mobile technology enables online education and healthcare support, especially remote areas. However, there are also negative impacts. People may become over-dependent on mobile devices, which can affect productivity and social interaction. There is also a digital divide, where not everyone has equal access to technology. The last one is issues such as privacy, cybersecurity, and mental health concerns are becoming more serious.
So the next slide is explaining about health, legal, and ethical issues. Firstly is health and safety standards. Mobile communication systems must comply with strict health and safety standards to protect users. Continuous research is conducted on the effects of radio frequency radiation on the human body. Regulatory bodies enforce limits such as the specific absorption rate and the guidelines from the International Commission on Non-Ionizing Radiation Protection to ensure RF energy exposure remains within safe levels. In addition, growing attention is given to user well-being, including issues such as digital burnout, sleep disruption caused by blue light exposure, and sedentary lifestyles linked to excessive mobile usage. Second is legal and regulatory framework. A strong legal framework governs the operation of mobile communication systems. Governments manage and license radio frequency spectrum to prevent signal interference and ensure fair access among service providers. Data protection laws, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, require operators to safeguard user information, including call records, location data, and personal details. Furthermore, cybercrime laws are enforced to address threats such as hacking, identity theft, and mobile-related fraud. Thirdly is ethical consideration. Mobile communication systems raise important ethical concerns, particularly regarding privacy and surveillance. While mobile tracking can enhance public safety and security, it must be carefully balanced against individuals' rights to privacy. Ethical responsibility also extends to addressing the digital divide by ensuring affordable and inclusive access to mobile services for rural and low-income communities. Additionally, manufacturers and service providers are expected to manage electronic waste responsibly to reduce the environmental impact of discarded mobile devices. Next slide. Future trends. The evolution beyond 5G is moving towards 6G, operating at terahertz frequencies with speeds up to 100 times faster than 5G and microsecond level latency. AI native networks will integrate artificial intelligence and machine learning to create self-optimizing, self-healing systems. Non-terrestrial networks, including low Earth orbit satellites, aim to provide seamless global coverage in remote areas such as oceans and deserts. The rise of massive IoT and Industry 5.0 will connect billions of devices, enabling fully automated factories and real-time digital twins of entire cities. Emphasis on green and sustainable telecommunications will reduce energy consumption through efficient hardware and sleep mode algorithms. Finally, holographic and extended reality technologies will transform communication from traditional 2D video calls to fully immersive 3D and VR/AR environments. Next slide. In conclusion, mobile communication systems are one of the essential components of modern telecommunication. This communication system provides high-speed wireless voice data and multimedia communication using technologies such as 4G and 5G. These play a crucial role in facilitating social connectivity along with the growth of economies as well as transforming various sectors like education, healthcare, and business into digital ones. Although many have numerous benefits, challenges like privacy, health issues, ethical usage, and inequitable access still have significance. The future will witness improvements with the advent of 5G advanced 6G, AI, as well as IoT. Thank you.